Major insurance providers operate first and foremost as businesses, not as advocates for their policyholders. Their priority is to maximize profits and minimize liabilities, often at the expense of customers' best interest post-disaster. This misalignment is especially apparent when it comes to restoration services. Insurers view restoration as just another cost center to be managed, rather than a skilled trade that is essential for appropriate recovery after catastrophes like fires and floods. They rely on third-party claims administrators who have no stake in the quality of restorations and seek only to contain costs. Yet, minimizing short-term expenses on restoration often leads to bigger problems down the road for policyholders, not to mention higher ultimate claims costs. Homes and businesses require expert remediation to be thoroughly dried, sanitized, and reconstructed to pre-loss conditions. Cutting corners leaves lingering moisture, contamination, and structural issues that cause harm over the long term. Skilled restoration professionals hold qualifications from respected organizations like the IICRC, underscoring that this is not simply a subsidiary of the building trades but its own recognized industry. Restorers have unique expertise in mitigating damage and health risks in the wake of disasters. Yet insurers dismiss this knowledge and treat restoration as an interchangeable service. Insurance providers must align their financial interest with the real needs of policyholders recovering from catastrophe. This starts with acknowledging restoration as a skilled trade and developing direct relationships with qualified vendors. Adjusters require better training to appreciate restoration intricacies, and contractors need flexibility to tackle each unique job. Policyholders' health and timely recovery should take priority over minimizing short-term corporate liability. Only by fundamentally changing their view of restoration can insurers craft policies that truly serve their customers rather than their own bottom line. The restoration industry stands ready to help insurers make this shift for the benefit of all.